Here we are at the Hyatt Ziva Cancun. This is an ocean view room with actually an amazing view. I'll take you around the room. Let's take a look here at the bathroom first. As you can see, this door does shut fully, so it is completely private. And then you've got a glass enclosure for the shower, as well as dual vanity, toilet. Then there's quite a bit of closet space actually. Lots of hangers there, more on this side, and a scale, which is always handy to weigh your bag before you head to the airport. And then we've got a full-size scale and more cupboards. Lots of counter space here and just living space, sitting space, which is really nice. I can attest that those beds are amazingly comfortable. You've got your own room service controls here, as well as ceiling fan. And then you've got a massive flat screen TV. I haven't checked this out, but I suspect they have done some funky stuff with this because the welcome message, thank you very much, is a new touch. So I suspect you can probably put your films on there as well, or your videos. And minibar, here we go. This is the coffee station. Mini bar is refreshed daily. Get a variety of beers there, and water and juice. And room service is included 24/7. So if you're out dancing and you want to have something to eat or drink, you can order that. And then check out this amazing view. And we come out, here we are. It's got a couple of chairs here. Very spacious balcony. And then just the most amazing view of the resort. And that crystal clear blue Caribbean water.